Hey guys, we're at a park and we're going to retry the try not to burp challenge.
This time I have Dr. Pepper though.
I still have Pepsi Max.
We're at the park, by the way.
We already started drinking some of it, but then it just didn't work, so we're retrying it again. So yeah, we might burp really quickly. Hopefully we don't. Let's just swallow the burps. Swallow. I haven't burped yet from the whole time of drinking this. Oh no.
Oh no, I'm gonna burp. Okay.
Oh no.
That went up my nose.
Guys.
I think we failed again. Next time I come, we'll do it. We'll try and find Sprite and actually do it properly. Because this works, but I think Sprite would be better because they're much more better.
Ryan, that was so funny.
But
we failed.
There's a nice pile of Dr. Pepper here and Dr. Pepper in my crocs now. So
Yay. Yeah. Bye. We definitely failed.
Bye guys.